warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my students.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. For start our lesson, let's start by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
And next, anyone absent today?
No.
Okay, so complete, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we will learn about new material. So please give attention to me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Give attention, please. Before we start our lesson, let's make some fun with new games that I prepared for you in the class, in the classroom. So please open fast your classroom with this code, and let's do this game together. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, please. Now please add the code of the Google. Yuk. Yay. Hotstar. Klik. My preferred alert. Disusun kalimatnya. Sok dicoba dulu aja. Coba. Coba geserin, nggak apa-apa, salah juga. Geserin. James ke atas coba. Nama biasanya di atas. Okay guys, so the next is let's do our project. The project is we can see in this. Please choose your favorite athlete and public figure. Make mind map in Canva, and then the content of mind map are title, picture, identity, physical features, characters, skill, and performance. And next, after finish the mind map, you can present in front of class. This is the example of the mind map descriptive text. The last meeting we learned about Cristiano Ronaldo, right?
Yes.
And this is the mind map of that. Cristiano Ronaldo, the title and the picture and the physical picture, personality, performance, skill. But we can change in performance, personality with character, skill, and physical picture. Jadi dimasukkan semuanya gitu ya. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. After you finish your work, you have to present in front of class. Okay. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's do our. Sok ngobrol. Yang ini. Nih.
Salam cuy. Ayo. Baca yang waktu ini cari searching face. Yes. Yes. No. Kita cari toko yang bagus kan. Cari yang lainnya. Jadi foto yang mana? Cari. Ya.
Informasinya.
Saya menderita. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello everyone. We are from Jakarta Culture.
Okay.
We will explain about Azizi. Azizi is beautiful.
Oh.
Azizi is from JKT48 group.
Okay.
And she is very beautiful. You can look this.
Oh yes, that.
And the picture after he spray
Really
Asian
beautiful.
city
Oh.
is your
2000.
he was born
Okay.
Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good job, guys. Okay, guys. I think that's all for today. What do you think about our material today? What did you learn for today? Yes.
I learned this.
Oh, yes. That's good text. Are you happy with these materials?
I'm very happy this come.
Oh, yes. That's good. So I think next time we